Hey everybody. Alright, so before we leave from this camping trip, I wanted just to give you a view of the cabin. All the cabins are basically the same here at Lake Hartwell State Park. So we are in cabin 2, but obviously this is the door you would walk in, and then you see on the wall they've got your controller for your air conditioning and heat, light switches, they got a hook up there, fire extinguisher, they have a lamp, a little table, microwave. This is actually Mark's cooler, so that does not come with the cabin obviously, but they do have their own refrigerator right here, broom, sweep up. They have a coffee maker, and these are the 2 bunk beds, so a top and a bottom bunk there. They come with these sheet covers on the mattress, so you just need to bring sheets and pillows if you want. There's a window again over there, the air conditioning unit, smoke alarm, your light, and then this one big bed right here. I don't know if I guess it's probably full-size bed. And there's a light socket, electrical socket over there against that wall, again next to this bed here, and then one over there, of course, with lamps plugged in, and then there's one behind the microwave where the microwave would be plugged in. So it's a great little cabin. This is our 2nd year staying at Lake Hartwell. Last time we were in cabin 5. Now we are in cabin 2. This is closer to the beachfront area. As I open the door, I'll kind of give you and show you what that looks like. So as you can see, this is kind of the view from the porch. There's the long beach right there. There's cabin 1 is to our right. Our pit is down there where Mark's sitting with the fire pit and the barbecue grill grate. There's a lantern post. So yeah, this is kind of the view. So, and it's a covered deck in case it rains, so it's pretty cool. So, well, I hope you all like this just quick video, kind of showing you what cabin 2 looks like here at Lake Hartwell State Park. Please go ahead and hit that like and subscribe, and we'll have another video for you soon, everybody. So take care. Thanks for watching NC Piedmont Outdoors, camping, fishing, and hunting adventures.